TikTok ads. At the time of writing this training, TikTok ads were not available to all countries. They were certainly available in the United States. To see if you can place ads on TikTok in your country, please go to https://ads.tiktok.com. TikTok started to show short ads in January 2019. Later, in April 2019, TikTok launched the beta version of their managed service platform, which created a biddable ad environment. Reps from TikTok will run ads for you, but this is sure to change. So here, we want to explain the types of ads that are available on the TikTok platform. There are a few things that you need to know about TikTok ads first. You can only use in-feed video ad. This is sensible as the platform is renowned for its short video clips. You have the choice of 3 different models with these ads. 1. Cost per click, CPC. 2. Cost per 1,000 impressions, CPM. 3. Cost per view, CPV. This is a 6-second view. In terms of audience targeting, you can go for gender and age as well as geo-targeting at state level. Going forward, TikTok plans to introduce other targeting options such as behavioral, interest, and more granular demographics. At the moment, there is no minimum spend requirement, but TikTok does encourage their advertisers to make an investment in ads that will be large enough to produce results and generate leads and sales. There is a feature to create custom lists, but you will need to use a physical list for this as CRM integration isn't currently available. In time, there will certainly be a self-ad serve option and useful integrations. Brand takeover ads. If you want your ad to appear when a user opens TikTok, then the brand takeover ad is right for you as it will present your ad front and center. With this type of ad, you will be able to drive TikTok users internally or to an external destination. Only one advertiser can use a brand takeover ad per category per day. Over time, this is going to make these ads pretty expensive. At the top of the screen, the user can elect to skip the ad if it is not of interest to them. With brand takeover ads, you will be able to measure reach through click rates, unique reaches, and impressions. These are going to be effective ad types as the ads will be user-friendly and designed to have an impact on the target audience. The hashtag challenge ad. The hashtag challenge ad is all about encouraging user-generated content by requesting TikTok users to participate in a challenge that showcases your brand in some way. Challenges are very popular on TikTok, so if you get this right, then you can expect some very good results. Hashtag challenges are so successful because they capitalize on the natural tendency of TikTok users to create their own content and upload it to the platform. When you go for a hashtag challenge and the representative from TikTok will partner with you for a period of 6 days, which will be the length of your ad. It is a good idea to find a good influencer partner for your hashtag challenge ad as they will be able to extend your reach considerably. The right challenge idea will result in a lot of organic engagements on the TikTok platform. Branded lens ads. If you are familiar with the AR lenses offered by Instagram and Snapchat, then you will find this to be a similar concept. With branded lens apps, you can use 3D objects, face filters, and more. A branded lens can provide a very deep level of engagement on TikTok. When you have the support of the user base, this will be a very good way to get your message out there. In-feed native ads. If you like the Instagram story ads in full screen mode and believe that this kind of approach is right for your brand, then the in-feed native ads from TikTok could be the right choice for you. You will be able to add a link to your website in these ads. Of course, as with other types of ads, the in-feed native ads have a skip feature for users that have no interest. With this type of ad, there are a number of options available to you when it comes to design. You will be able to measure the engagements you receive with this type of ad, as well as total views, viewing times, click-throughs, and impressions. Your in-feed native ad can be between 5 and 15 seconds in length. The video must be in vertical format, and it will display on the TikTok user's For You page. There are some call-to-action choices, such as visits to your website and app downloads. TikTok ads will certainly improve over time. It is in the company's interest to attract advertisers and keep them as happy as possible. At the moment, the TikTok ad system does not have the sophistication of Facebook ads or Instagram ads, but this will get better as the platform continues to grow. At the moment, ads on TikTok are probably going to be the cheapest that they will ever be, so we recommend that you give them a try. There is certainly a large enough user base to make this worthwhile for you. As with all social media ads, it is a good idea to tweak them and mix it up. Seeing the same ad all of the time is not really a good thing on social media. Test all of the ads that you place and take the time to work out why some perform better than others. All of your ads will need to blend in seamlessly with the TikTok platform. The reps will ensure this right now, and even when the platform goes self-serve, ads will probably still require approval from TikTok. Fun, entertaining, and consistent ads are the most likely to win the day. Anything that encourages participation is going to have more appeal. So, if you want to use TikTok ads, you need to plan your content and let your creativity flow. What is TikTok and why should you care? A lot of people have never heard of TikTok. Marketers that spend advertising money on social media platforms do not know anything about it or the potential that it provides. That's okay for you, because it means that there is less competition for you to worry about. In fact, TikTok has been in the news recently for the wrong reasons. There was concern that the platform was not safe for youngsters to use. The truth is that there was some dodgy content on TikTok, but they have cleaned up their act and removed a lot of videos that did not meet their community guidelines and terms of use. This has not stopped TikTok experiencing incredible growth over the last 2 years. In the first half of 2018, it was the most downloaded free iOS app. TikTok was the most downloaded app on Google Play in October 2018, and overall, it was the third most downloaded app in the world in November 2018. In March 2019, there have been over 1 billion installs of TikTok. There were 660 million downloads in 2018, and in the first quarter of 2019, there were 188 million. There are over 500 million active users of TikTok, and 26.5 million of these are from the United States. Here are some other key statistics about TikTok. There are more users of TikTok on Android than iOS. At the moment, the largest user base is in India, representing around 43%. Around 66% of TikTok users are less than 30 years old. The average time spent on the TikTok platform is 52 minutes. There has been an increase with in-app purchases of 275% year on year. 29% of the user base use TikTok every day. Challenges work well. The Raindrop Challenge had more than 685 million views, and the Tumbleweed Challenge created 8,000 videos and has more than 9 million views in a week. For the In My Feelings Challenge, there are over 5 million videos on TikTok compared to 1.7 million videos on Instagram. What is TikTok? A company in Beijing, China, called ByteDance, developed the Douyin app in only 200 days. They launched the app for the Chinese market initially, and the company launched TikTok, which is the same, for the international market in 2017. The ByteDance company purchased Music.ly, which was a popular app created by a startup in Shanghai, China, who also had an office in Santa Monica in the United States. This helped ByteDance to build a larger video community. TikTok is all about short videos. Users upload videos of around 15 seconds. With the previous app Musical.ly, the users tended to upload videos of themselves lip-syncing to popular music videos. The most talented of these people that uploaded videos turned into the biggest influencers of the Music.ly platform. It is possible to upload videos of around 60 seconds that share stories, but the majority of the videos on TikTok are 15 seconds or less. The target audience for TikTok, and formerly Music.ly, are teenagers and those in their early 20s with an age range of 13 to 24-year-olds. TikTok changed the variety of the video uploads on the platform since it has grown so much. Now, you will find a lot more than lip-synced videos. In fact, there are many other videos to choose from rather than just music. You can now find comedians doing stand-up, lots of prank videos, dancing videos, skateboarding videos, fashion and beauty videos, and a lot more. People with all kinds of talents are now uploading videos to TikTok. And now, there are people uploading videos showing them using their favorite products. Not all of the TikTok users create and upload videos, of course. This is the same with YouTube and Instagram. A lot of users are just looking for entertaining content to make them happy. There is no need for a TikTok user to follow anyone on the app. If they just want to find entertaining videos, they can use the Discover page and look for videos that they are interested in. A TikTok user can search for videos using keywords, or they can use specific hashtags. Now, TikTok users are liking videos more than they did before, and they are subscribing to more channels. There's a lot more sharing of TikTok videos than before, and you can take a look at the videos that a user has played through their profile page. Who are the TikTok users? The previous app Musical.ly targeted the Generation Z demographic, and the bias was females. TikTok seems to be targeting the same people, but it is really too early to tell. There certainly are older users on the platform now. You cannot get away from the fact that around 66% of TikTok users are under the age of 30. Females still dominate the platform at around the same percentage. TikTok has international appeal with a lot of users from India and the United States. The sister app Douyin has around 400 million Chinese users, and the apps use different servers. When Douyin first launched, more than 50% of its users were under the age of 24. However, most of these users are still using the app, so the age range keeps going up. Time will tell if the same thing will happen to TikTok, and we believe that this will be the case. Videos on TikTok. A TikTok user can upload a video that they have shot of themselves or any other video that they have in their gallery. There are features in TikTok which can slow down or speed up videos, and users can apply a number of different filters. TikTok also has a React feature where users can shoot a video which includes their reaction to another video. A small window showing the user can be placed anywhere on the screen, and this is a popular feature. There is also a duet feature on TikTok where a user can create a video with one video next to another one. This feature was available in the previous Musical.ly app and was very popular, so they decided to keep this. A smart move. It is possible for users that upload videos to mark them as either public, private, or friends only. TikTok provides a For You page, which displays a feed of videos recommended for the user based on which videos the user has viewed before, similar to YouTube, using artificial intelligence. Each TikTok user has a saved section in their profile which only they can see. Here they can add videos, sounds, filters, and hashtags, which they can refer back to anytime they want to do this. TikTok growth factors. So how did TikTok grow so quickly? The platform has really taken a lot of people by surprise with its significant growth in such a short space of time. Here are some of the main reasons for the growth of TikTok. Endorsements from celebrities. If you know anything about social networks, then you will be aware that celebrities have a significant impact. Some celebrities are really big social media platform users and command large followings from hundreds of thousands to millions. An endorsement from a celebrity is going to persuade a lot of their followers. One of the earliest celebrities to embrace TikTok was Jimmy Fallon. He presented the app on his show to encourage people to participate in a challenge he had started. The number of TikTok users grew significantly from this. Fallon now has a partnership with TikTok. Content that is localized. Despite TikTok being a global app, it has a focus for localized content. You will see a number of local challenges on the platform, and this has resulted in an upturn in the user base. TikTok has a contest that they call 1 Million Audition, which it runs across different nations. Participants with the best themes receive an award, and the contest has helped to build the overall user base. Not only that, but TikTok provides suggestions to users for local topics, and this has resulted in more local videos created. It is easy to use TikTok. Users find it really easy to use the TikTok app. It makes video creation and sharing very simple, which users really appreciate. There is no steep learning curve with TikTok as there is with some other platforms. All a user has to do is record their video and then instantly post it. As soon as you open the TikTok app, it is very easy to access videos and they will start to play in sequence. People find it very easy to find videos that they want to watch. Introduction. The TikTok social media platform has seen explosive growth over the last 2 years. It now has 500 million users that are desperate for fun and exciting content, and this is a massive opportunity for you to promote your business. To be successful with TikTok marketing, you need to know how the platform works and how the users interact with each other. TikTok appeals to a younger demographic, and you really need to speak their language to be successful. This training will explain all you need to know about TikTok to create successful marketing campaigns. We have worked hard to provide you with everything that you need to know to use the TikTok platform to market your business successfully. You will find it an easy and engaging experience, and we encourage you to go through it from start to finish and then start to implement the tips and advice you find here. You will learn that a number of businesses and organizations have already leveraged the TikTok platform to get the word out. What they have done is not rocket science, and you can replicate their success easily. Engagement with the TikTok user base is essential, and this training will show you how to achieve that. Other marketers have tried marketing on TikTok and failed. We do not want you to make the same mistakes that they did, so follow the steps in this training, and you will maximize your chances of success. Marketing strategies for TikTok. We believe that there are 3 effective ways that you can market your brand on TikTok. 1. You create your own branded channel and upload relevant videos for your niche. 2. You can identify and work with influencers on TikTok to increase your reach on the platform. 3. You can advertise on TikTok. We will cover this in the next video. A lot of marketers on TikTok use a combination of these things to grow their followers and increase their reach. In this video, we will discuss the 8 most successful marketing strategies that many brands use. 1. Hashtag challenges. The TikTok community loves a challenge. A lot of users love to accept challenges on the platform and create videos and upload them in response to the challenge. If you want to create a challenge on TikTok, and you should, then you need to create an exciting and relevant hashtag. It needs to be memorable and easy for users to find. We have already mentioned in this training how popular the Jimmy Fallon Tumbleweed Challenge was. Okay, he had the benefit of using the power of The Tonight Show to spread the word about his challenge. But if you take this out of the equation, it was still a good challenge because there were more than 8,000 videos created and more than 10 million engagements. All he asked TikTok users to do was drop to the ground and then roll like a tumbleweed when they heard a particular piece of music. To create a successful challenge, you need to think about how a TikTok user can interact with your brand in a fun way. Maybe they hold one of your products and then do something fun with it. You also need to think about the difficulty and the creativity of the challenge. We would always recommend that you add a degree of difficulty into the challenge. The Jimmy Fallon Tumbleweed Challenge was difficult because the dropping down to the floor and rolling like a tumbleweed had to be done in public. Those that took up this challenge were really proud that they overcame their shyness and did it. It is always a good idea to allow the user some flexibility in any challenge that you create. Provide the TikTok users with the guidelines, but don't tell them exactly what they have to do. You will get better results if you allow users a chance to put their own spin on things. The jeans company Guess did this very well. Jeans are a really personal item, so they encouraged users to show off how they like to wear them. This gave the users the freedom to use filters and other special effects from within TikTok. Google also had a successful TikTok challenge for their Google Assistant. When you think about it, there is almost an infinite number of things that a person can ask the Google Assistant. So, Google invited users to ask any question that they wanted of the Google Assistant, which made the challenge creative and very popular. 2. Use duets. A lot of marketers miss the trick with duets. You can utilize a hashtag campaign with a duet that is unique and attracts a great deal of engagement. Well-known DJ Khaled is now an official TikTok partner. He created a very popular hashtag, Catch These Blessings, by creating duets where he is looking at himself and praising individuals. So, users are able to use the duet function to record themselves beside DJ Khaled